Good morning, students. Today we are going to see our English new textbook. This is our first video lecture. See, we are having our new English Yog Bharati textbook standard 12th. Now this is the cover page of our new English Yog Bharati textbook. As we go inside, we will see the pages one by one. This is the first page. Then we are going to see the editorial page. Then the Constitution of India is there. Then National Anthem. And this is the introductory preface page. These are some instructions for teachers. In these instructions, all the skills are given here. As we can see, listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, writing skill, language study, means whatever the grammatical part is there. Then the prose section, poem section and novel section. This year we are having novels. Last year we were having dramas. So this year the section is changed from drama to novel. These skills are being completed in these years syllabus: listening, speaking, reading, writing and study skills and language study. Now the next one is the content page. In the content page, the section 1 is prose. So on this page we are having our complete syllabus. In section 1 we can see there are 8 prose. One by one we'll see the prose. The first prose is An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan, who was an Indian writer. Then the second one is On Saying Please, written by Alfred George Gardiner. Third lesson is The Cop and the Anthem, written by O. Henry, who is an American writer. Fourth one is Big Data, Big Insights. The author is unknown. The name is not given of the author. The fifth lesson is The New Dress, written by Virginia Woolf. Sixth lesson is Into the Wild, written by Kiran Purandare, who is again an Indian writer. Seventh one is Why We Travel, written by Siddharth Pico Raghavan Iyer, who is again Indian writer. And the last one is Voyaging Towards Excellence, written by Achyut Godbole, again who is an Indian writer. As we have seen in the prose section, there are 4 people who are Indian. Why it is given? Why Indian writers are prescribed to this syllabus? Because we should simply know the language of the writers and we should simply understand the lessons and whatever the content is. That's why all the Indian writers are given in our syllabus this year. Section 2 is poetry. Again 8 poetry are given there. So one by one we will see the title of the poem and the writers of the poem. Song of the Open Road. This is the first poem, written by Walt Whitman, who is an American writer. Second poem is Indian Weavers, written by Sarojini Naidu, who is Indian writer. Third poem, The Inchcape Rock, written by Robert Southey. Fourth poem is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, written by Edgar Guest. Fifth poem is Father Returning Home, written by Dilip Chitre, who is again Indian writer. Sixth poem is Money, written by William H. Davis, an American writer. Seventh poem, She Walks in Beauty, written by George Jordan Byron. And the last poem is Small Towns and Rivers, written by Mamang Dai. So these are our 8 poems prescribed this year. Now section 3, we are going to section 3, which is writing skills. Now last year we have also studied some writing skills, but this year the skills are altogether different than previous years. So the very first writing skill is summary writing. We all are aware about summary writing. We know what summary writing is. What is it? A paragraph is given into it and we have to write down the summary of the particular paragraph. So this is the first writing skill. Second writing skill is mind mapping. In mind mapping, what happens? One particular idea is given to you, and in that idea you have to map some sub ideas to it. Suppose the idea of playing given to you, and related to play or related to games, what you remember, you have to accordingly map the ideas to the particular concept or subject. Got it? The third writing skill is note making. We know about note making because in previous years we were having note making, and in 11th standard also the question 2nd B was our note making question. What happens in note making? Some diagrams are given, suppose a table or a graph, web chart, pie chart that is given there, and according to the paragraph we have to fill the information from given paragraph to the particular chart or diagram. That is called as note making. Then the fourth writing skill is statement of purpose. Now this is the complete new writing skill this year. What is statement of purpose? It is also called as SOP. Means the abbreviation of statement of purpose is SOP. S-O-P. Now let's go to statement of purpose, what it is. Suppose you want admission to particular university, particular college, then you have to write some application to that college or university, and into that application you have to mention all the things about your objective, career objective, your things about your studies, things about your career. So all the things should be there in the statement of purpose. Means you are asking them the permission of getting admission into their university or college. That is a statement of purpose. We'll see all the writing skills in details in our next lectures. Then the fifth skill is drafting a virtual message. Now what is a virtual message? How to write a virtual message? Suppose there are some other types of messages also. One is direct message, means which we can give one-to-one. And what is a virtual message? It is written with the help of technology. Means you can give this message via telephone or via WhatsApp or via Facebook or via any video. So when you give a particular message through technology, that is called as a virtual message, and that message you have to draft or write. That is a virtual message. And then last topic of writing skill is group discussion. Now group discussion is a topic wherein there are some 10 to 12 students or people included in a group, and a particular topic is given to them to speak about, and some will speak from the for side and some will speak from the against side. So it is like we can say it is like a debate. So this is a group discussion, what we have to write, because it is a writing skills. So that is why that group discussion we have to write, not we have to make. So these are 6 writing skills given this year. Now the section 4 is novel section. I think the genre drama is mistakenly written here. It should be genre novel, because all the 4 chapters are related to novels. That is why the genre should be novel. Now the first chapter of section 4 is history of novel. Second chapter, third and fourth chapter, these all 3 are the novels given this year: To Serve with Love, Around the World in 80 Days, and The Sign of 4. These 3 are the novels. Now what main idea is there in the novel, I'll tell you in short. To Serve with Love is just a relationship of a student and a teacher. So this is very skillfully mentioned in that novel. Then the second novel is Around the World in 80 Days. In this the story of the experiences of traveling given in the novel. And the last The Sign of 4, this novel is based on the detective story. So you will be having really very fun while learning all these novels. So this way we have seen all our contents: prose section, poetry section, writing skill, and summary. Section 4 is novel. Now we can see our section 1. You can see this table. In this table some topics are given. See the title of the topic, 1.2, 1.1, 1.3, 1.4, all the 8 prose are given here, and what grammatical part, what technical part, what writing skills, what values, life skills are mentioned in that particular lesson is given in the table. Suppose in 1.1 An Astrologer's Day, we can see in the vocabulary topic the code mixing and word usage is given. Then writing skill is draft a speech, expansion of idea. In extension activities, reading short stories as a form. And in value and life skill, wit and humor is a value. Then ingenuity and astuteness. So all these life skills are given in the particular lesson, in a first lesson. Okay, so all the 8 lessons are given this way in the table. What particular grammar is included in that particular lesson is given there. Okay, so we will move ahead to our section 1, An Astrologer's Day, in our next audio video section. Thank you very much.